Hi, Geet. Good evening, Geet. Good evening, Shritika. So today we are going to complete the problem set 2 of Pythagoras theorem, and if possible then I am going to take even practice set 2.2 few sums which are difficult, and so that we can cover it. And meantime you can like the video. पटकन व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका. And both of you, good evening. So two of you have joined. Now let us see who else will join. आवाज येत नाही आहे माझा. Is my voice येतोय का काय? Shrutika, just answer. My voice is there or some problem is there in voice? ओके, क्लिअर आहे ना? गीत, थोडंसं तुला सेटिंग ॲडजस्ट करावं लागेल. मे बी नेटवर्कमध्ये नसशील तू. Namaste, hi, and welcome. Today we are going to start with two problems which are from problem set number 2, and they are number 15 and number 16 of problem set number 2 from Pythagoras theorem. So let's start, because both the sums 15 and 16 are difficult sum. I will be waiting for a minute and then we will go towards the first sum of today. So let's see how many will join. For a minute we will wait. Let us see. Maybe everyone thinking that the class is at 6:30 it must be. So are you ready, Shrutika and Geet? Both of you ready? Now there are 6 person I can see on the screen. So I think we should move towards the first sum without wasting time. Okay, Geet, and okay, Shrutika. So let's move towards the first sum of today. So now it is Piyush has also joined. Now tell me, everything is clear. Is it clear to you and visible? Is it properly visible? Question number 15. And shall we start now? Hi Piyush. And good evening everyone, those who have joined, and we are going to start with the 15th sum, which is most important sum. Hi Naren, and most of the time it has asked in board question paper also and in school paper. So let's read and one by one let us start solving. So this is a trapezium. So which diagram it is? It is a trapezium. You can see trapezium, two sides, opposite sides are parallel, and here DC is parallel to BC and segment AB is parallel to segment DC. So AB parallel to DC, segment BD is perpendicular to AD. So this is AD and this is BD. They are perpendicular. You can see 90-degree angle they are showing, and segment AC is perpendicular to segment BC. If AD is 15, BC is 25, and AD is 15, BC is also 15, and AB is 25. Then find area of quadrilateral ABCD. So you know what is the formula for area of trapezium? That is sum of two parallel sides 1/2 sum of two parallel side into height. So which are the two parallel side? AB and DC. आता आपल्याला AB ऑलरेडी माहिती आहे, पण आपल्याला DC माहिती नाही आहे. इंटू हाईट. हाईट ही परपॅन्डिक्युलर हाईट असती तर DM. तर आपल्याला दोन गोष्टी फाईंड कराव्या लागेल. एक तर DC पण फाईंड करावी लागेल अँड DM. तेव्हाच आपण एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल ABCD काढू शकतो. ओके एव्हरीवन, तर आपण इथे स्टार्ट करूया पायथागोरस थेरमनी. आणि कोणत्या राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलवर मी पायथागोरस थेरम यूज करते ते तुम्हाला हायलाईट करून दाखवते. सो दिस इज द राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. हा जो ब्ल्यू कलरचा तुम्हाला दिसतोय हा मी राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल घेते आणि त्याच्यावरती आपण पायथागोरस थेरम यूज करणार आहोत. सो जे कोणी जॉईन झालेले आहेत त्यांनी पाहिला आहे तो राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. सो सोल्युशन. सो विच राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल वी आर टेकिंग? दॅट इज right angle triangle, that is ADB by Pythagoras theorem. तर काय होईल? AB is the hypotenuse, so AB square is equals to AD square plus DB square. Okay, so what is AB? AB is 25, so 25 square. AD is 15 square plus DB square. Now let us see DB square is equals to 25 square is 625 and 15 square is 225. Let us do subtraction, that is 400. Now taking square it at both the side, taking square root at both the side, TB is equals to 400 is a square of, yes Shrutika, absolutely correct. So 400 is a square and Geet also absolutely correct. Both of you very good, you are concentrating. So BD is equals to 20. 400 square root is 20. So I got BD, that is 20. Okay. Now let us take the area of area of triangle ADB. So what I am going to do now next is area of triangle ADB. But for that I am going to little change the direction of this triangle. Okay, now you can see the triangle. According to me, I want to show you this way triangle. So now you can see the triangle. Which triangle it is? Okay, Shrutika, you okay, Piyush? So this is the pink triangle and you have to observe that. Sorry, pink, not blue triangle. And you have to observe that triangle. Which is that triangle? Area of triangle ADB. So on screen now, which is the base? What is the area of triangle formula? Area of triangle formula is half base into height. Do you remember this formula? So in this formula, half base. So which is the base now? You can see this is base AD. Can you see? Hi Prathamesh. Good to see you. Hi Darshan. So what is base? That is AD. And what is the height? That is BD. Okay, so half. What is AD? AD is 15. And what is BD? That is 20. So let us divide it by 2. Yes, height is BD. So I have done this arrangement for you so that you can understand which is the base and which is the height. Correct. So let us do dividation now. 2 ones are 2 tens are. And 150 into 10, that is 150 square unit. So what is the area of triangle ADB? It is 150 square unit. So everybody got this correctly? Yes, Shrutika and Geet. So till here everything is clear, or you have any question in your mind? You can ask me if you have any question in mind. Okay, okay. Hi, Dhanashri. Now I'm going to do this diagram as it was previous. So now you can see the actual diagram which was like that. Today I will cover first of all that two questions which are most important questions, and then we will think about it. Okay, according to our time we can decide. So आता मला मिळालाय एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए डी बी. पण आता तुम्ही पहा, हा जो ट्रायंगल ए डी बी आहे त्याचा आता बेस कोणता आहे सांगा. आताच्या डायग्राममध्ये बेस कोणता आहे सांगा. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADB is equals to half base into height. हाफ. आता बेस चेंज झालाय ह्या ब्ल्यू ट्रायंगलचा. आता बेस कोणता आहे. AB आहे. इजंट इट. आणि जी हाईट आहे, नाही आता बेस आपण बदललेला आहे. हाय अमृत. तर आता आपण बेस बदलला आहे. आता बेस कोणता झाला. AB. आणि परपॅन्डिक्युलर हाईट कोणती झाली त्याची. DM. आठवते तुम्हाला सिमिलॅरिटीमध्ये अशा पद्धतीने आपण करत होतो. डू यू रिमेंबर. डू यू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग विच आय एम टेलिंग यू. हे पहा AB बेस आहे आणि DM हाईट आहे त्याची. आता येस येस व्हेरी गुड. सो हा AB बेस अँड DM हाईट. आता ऑलरेडी मला एरिया माहिती आहे. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD किती आहे. 150. सो 150 इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ. AB पण माहिती आहे 25 इंटू DM. आता हा जो 2 आहे ते इथे न्यूमरेटरला जाईल आणि हा 25 डिनॉमिनेटरला येईल. करेक्ट. तर काय होईल. DM इज इक्वल्स टू 150 इंटू 2 अपॉन 25. सो 25च्या टेबलमध्ये काय होईल. 25 1 जा अँड 25 6 जा. So 6 2 जा 12. So what is DM? That is 12. So मला एक मिळालं. मला एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल ABCD ट्रॅपेझियम काढायचं आहे. मला एक पॅरलल साईड मिळाली आणि परपॅन्डिक्युलर हाईट पण मिळाली 12. पण आता मला DC काढायचं आहे, कारण दोन्ही जर मला पॅरलल साईड्स मिळाल्या तर माझं काम होऊन जाणार आहे. पण त्याच्यासाठी आता मी एक वेगळा ट्रायंगल घेणार आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये पायथागोरस थेरमचा यूज करणार आहे. तुम्हाला मी ट्रायंगल हायलाइट करून दाखवते. रेड कलरनी दाखवते. स्क्रीनवरती तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन दिसतोच आहे. सो आता आपण घेणार आहोत हा ट्रायंगल AMD. सो तुम्हाला ट्रायंगल दिसला रेड कलरचा AMD. आणि AMD ट्रायंगलमध्ये आता आपण पायथागोरस यूज करणार आहे. मी हे पेज चेंज करते म्हणजे तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम नाही येणार. सो आता मी कोणता ट्रायंगल यूज करते सांगा. ट्रायंगल यूज करते AMD अँड पायथागोरस यूज करते. इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल AMD बाय पायथागोरस थिअरम. सो पायथागोरस थिअरमनी हायपोटेनस AD स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू DM स्क्वेअर प्लस AM square. Correct everybody? Are you getting everyone? Please reply me. Yes, Shrutika. Others also concentrate. Now let us put the values. Okay? Let us put the values here. So what is AD? AD is 15. So 15 square. Then what is DM? DM just we found it is 12. DM is 12. So 12 square plus AM square. So what will be AM square? That is 15 square 225 minus 12 square it is 144. So 5 minus 4 it is 1 and 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 it is 8. So 81. AM square is 81. So let us take square root of 81. So what is the square root of 81? Everybody answer. Naren, Amrut, Darshan. Very good, Shrutika. And Amrut also. Very good. You are giving very fast answers. Good. Taking square root at both the sides. So AM will be 9 unit. So I got AM. How much? 9. Now similarly BM will be also 9. BN किती असेल 9. तर आपण ते सिमिलरली करून लिहायचं आहे. हाय अमित. सिमिलरली NB इज इक्वल्स टू 9. आता ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला स्क्रीनवर AB दिसतंय. AB किती आहे 25 आहे. हाऊ मच AB इज देअर? इट इज 25. So what we can write now? AB is equals to AM plus MN plus NB. What reason you are going to write? A dash M dash N dash B. बिटवीननेस आठवतीये तुम्हाला? तर बिटवीननेसचा आपण इकडे यूज केलेला आहे. सो आपण काय यूज केलेला आहे इथे? बिटवीननेस. ओके. सो आय थिंक ऑल आर गेटिंग. इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड साइन. सो ए बी, आता ए बी किती आहे 25. एम किती आहे 9. एम एन आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे आणि एन बी किती आहे 9. सो 9 प्लस 9 18 होईल. सो एम एन इज इक्वल्स टू 25 मायनस 18 दॅट इज 7. सो आपल्याला एम एन किती मिळाला 7. आता पहा हे दोन 90 डिग्रीज आहेत म्हणजे ॲटोमॅटिकली वरचे पण 90 डिग्रीचे होतील. म्हणजे हा जो MNCD आहे तो रेक्टँगल आहे आणि रेक्टँगलच्या अपोजिट, यस अमृत, रेक्टँगलच्या अपोजिट साईड्स असतात त्या काय असतात? कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतात. सो आपण लिहू शकतो. व्हॉट वी कॅन राईट? टेल मी. quadrilateral MNCD is a rectangle. Let me show you by green color that quadrilateral so that you can understand. MNCD. Okay. So this is a rectangle. So rectangle opposite sides are congruent. Therefore quadrilateral MNCD is a rectangle and therefore MN is equals to DC. Good evening Rakesh. Good evening. So now see MN is equals to काय होणार? DC and that will be 7 centimeter. And what reason you are going to write? Opposite sides of rectangle. So now I got DC also. DC is how much? 7 centimeter. So now we can use the formula of area of trapezium. Okay everyone. So what is the formula of area of trapezium? Do you remember that formula? That formula we are going to use. So let us write area of trapezium. Area of trapezium So now let us find out area of trapezium. And what is that? Yeah, definitely I will be taking trigonometry. So area of trapezium is equals to 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. So do you remember this is the formula of area of trapezium? Half sum of parallel side into height. Absolutely correct, Shrutika. So now which area we are going to find? Area of trapezium. And which is that trapezium? That is ABCD. That is equals to half. And what is the sum of parallel sides? Which are the parallel side? AB and CD. So AB plus CD and into height. So height we are always taking perpendicular height. So which is the perpendicular height? Okay, Rakesh, don't worry, I will be speaking English. Okay. So which is the height? It is a perpendicular height, that is DM. So DM is the perpendicular height. So 1/2. Which are the two parallel sides? AB and DC. And how much AB is there? Already you know AB is 25 plus CD is 7 into DM. DM is 12. So we put all the values now. So 25 plus 7, how much it is? 25 plus 7 it is 32. 32 into 12. So 2 ones are and 2 6 are. Now let us multiply. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 3s are 18 and 19. And it is an area, so square unit. What we will write? Square unit. So everybody understood this one? Please tell me everyone, did you understood? So we got the answer, that is 192 square units. Okay, Geet and Shrutika, Amrut, and who else is there? Okay, Darshan, good. So rest of you also, and Piyush has also understood. So let's move to the next sum, and that is the 16th sum of problem set. Okay, so let's move to the 16th sum. Let me put that 16th sum now. So everybody, now on the screen you can see the 16th sum. Hi. Okay, Dhanashri. And see on the screen that is a 16th sum. And here in the figure, triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. So PQR is an equilateral triangle. And you know, equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are of 90 degree. Sorry, 60 degree. So equilateral triangle, what is the speciality? That all angles are of 60. So angle Q will be 60, angle R will be 60 and angle P will be also 60. Put point S on segment QR. So which point is there? S point is there on segment, which is that QR, such that SQ is 1/2 QR. 1/3 QR it is, not 1/2, it is 1/3 QR. Prove that 9PS is equals to 7PQ. So like that we have to prove. So first of all, what I am going to do, I am going to prove that this triangle PQT is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So first let us start from given. And what is given here? So let's start proof. So what is given? That triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. So first statement, let us write triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. And what is that? It is given. Now already you know equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all angles are of 60 degree. Yes. So let us write that angle P is equals to angle Q is equals to angle R, and that is equals to 60 degree. And what you are going to write here? Angles of equilateral triangle. Okay. And what is another important thing? That is all sides are equal. I want you people to give proper answers. So all sides means PQ is equals to QR is equals to PR, and all will be equal. Let us call it as X. Okay. So all three sides are X, and we can write sides of equilateral triangle. Okay, everyone. So you have a doubt, then you can ask me, but you can't write it as wrong. Okay. So Shrutika, very good, sides of equilateral triangle. Now see, we are going to take now triangle. Let me show you which triangle I am going to take. Oh, your method may be different and my method will be different. It may be, but ultimately the answers will be same only. So here I am going to start with this right angle triangle. So which right angle triangle we are going to take? That is AP, and let us call it M. And here I have done a construction that PM is perpendicular to QR. And then we are going to take right angle triangle PMQ. So let us write the construction first. That draw segment PM which is perpendicular to side QR. Okay everyone. Now see, let us take, yes, you can take PMR also, but here I am taking PMQ. Okay, so in right angle triangle, which triangle I am taking? PMQ. Now see, angle QPM plus angle PMQ plus angle QP plus angle PQM. See, QPM plus PMQ plus PQM is equals to 180 degree. You know why these three angles measure is 180 degree? Because they are sum of measures of all angles of a triangle. Okay. Now what is QPM? QPM we are going to find angle QPM. What is angle PMQ? PMQ is 90 degree. And what is angle PQM? PQM is 60 degree. That is equals to 180 degree. Angle QPM is equals to 90 plus 60, it is, hi Lakshmi, 90 plus 60, it is 150, and if 150 goes to right hand side, it will be negative 150. So 180 degree minus 150 degree, that is 30 degree. So what is this angle? It is 30 degree. So here everybody understood till here? Yes, Shrutika. Hi Lakshmi. So shall we move towards next page? Shall I? Everybody has completed this. Okay. Okay, Amrut. Okay, Piyush and Shrutika. So this blue color triangle PMQ is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. And now we are going to use that property of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So what I am going to do? I am going to take next page now. Okay, Geet, Prathamesh and Amrut. So let us take this triangle PMQ and use 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. Therefore, triangle PMQ is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. And therefore, by 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem, let us take by 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. See, this 30 degree opposite side QM will be half of the hypotenuse. Therefore, QM will be half of the hypotenuse, that is PQ, 30 degree opposite side. Okay. You know that 30 degree opposite side is always half of the hypotenuse. Yes, Darshan and Piyush and Geet. So what will be QM? QM will be half. And what I have guessed that PQ is X. We have taken it is X. So X upon 2. So how much I got QM? That is X upon 2. Okay, QM. And now let us find out PM also. So what will be my PM? So PM is equals to, see, PM is 60 degree opposite side. So it is under root 3 upon 2 times hypotenuse PQ. And what you will write? 60 degree opposite side. Okay. So what will be my PM? PM will be under root 3 upon 2 into X. So this is my PM. Now we are going to take given that QS is 1/3 QR. So what is given? QS is 1/3 QR. QS is 1/3 QR. And what is QR? It is X. So X upon 3. So how much QS is there? See this small qs, I will be highlighting with the green color. This qs is x upon 3. And just now I got qm also. How much I got qm? That is x upon 2. How much I got qm? This qm is x upon 2 and this qs is x upon 3. So by using this we can find out sm because q dash s dash m. Everybody is getting? Yes, definitely, because this sum is also lengthy and it is taking time. Yeah, yours is a polynomial because I am teaching Maharashtra State Board. I have written it is MH Board, means Maharashtra Board. Okay. So now let us take betweenness. So what will be my QM? QM is equals to QS plus SM. QM is QS plus SM. What is the reason you are going to write Q dash S dash M? Okay, everyone. So now see what is QM? QM, I know it is x upon 2. QS, just we got QS also. What is QS? It is x upon 3 plus SM. So now I want to find SM. Okay, so how to find SM? Let us find SM. So SM is equals to, this x upon 3 will go to left and it will be negative. So x upon 2 minus x upon 3. Okay. So 2 and 3, what is LCM? That is 6. Here 2 is there. So what will come here? Cross multiply 3x. And here it is 3. So 2 into x, that is 2x. So 3x minus 2x, that is x upon 6. So how much SM I got? That is x upon 6. Okay. And PM, how much PM we got? That is under root 3x upon 2. PM is under root 3x upon 2. And now we are going to use this small PMS triangle. You can see this small triangle PMS. I will highlight it by yes, it is definitely easy. You have to just concentrate. So which right angle triangle we are going to use? That is PMS. And here I am going to use now Pythagoras theorem. So let me take the next page and solve this one. I think you can see the diagram clearly. Are you visible to diagram? Diagram is quite visible. Please reply me. So which right angle triangle we are taking? Okay, Dhanashri, we are taking PMS in right angle triangle PMS by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so yes, definitely. So by Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? This is hypotenuse PS. So PS square is equals to PM square plus SM square. Okay. Now I know PS we don't know. So PS square we will write as it is. And what is PM? PM we found it is under root 3x upon 2. Under root 3x upon 2 bracket square. And what is SM? That is x upon 6. So bracket square. Now let us do yes, PS square is equals to PM square plus SM square. Shrutika, it's absolutely correct. And now I put value of PM, which we have found under root 3 upon x upon 3 under root 3x upon 2, and SM is x upon 6. Let's take square. So under root 3 square is 3, x square, and 2 square is 4. Again here x square, and it will be 36. 6 are 36. Now here 4 and here it is 36. So let us take 36 LCM. So 36. So 4 9s are 36. So 4 9s are. So we have to multiply this 3 by 9. 27 x square, and 36 is there. So here it will be x square. Now let us take 36 here. So it is ps square. So 36 ps square is equals to 28x square. So what is x square? Actually x square means pq. You can see we have previously taken. I know CBSE, but I'm not teaching presently CBSE. I teach only Maharashtra State Board presently, okay? But few sums are quite similar. Whatever is in CBSE, that same sums are there in State Board also, okay? सो आता आहे ना एक्स स्क्वेअरच्या जागी आपण काय लिहायचं आहे पी क्यू लिहायचं आहे कारण पी क्यू इज इक्वल्स टू क्यू आर इज इक्वल्स टू पी आर वी हॅव ऑलरेडी टेकन इट इज एक्स ओके सो रिप्लेस इट बाय पी क्यू सो 36 पी एस स्क्वेअर is equals to 28 pq square. Now this 36 and 28 comes in which table? Which is the common table? Do you remember? Which table 36 will come and 28 will come? 4 table, isn't it? So we can divide this by 4. Divide this by 4. Divide it by 4. So both the side we will divide by 4 because 36 and 28 comes in 4 table. Amrit, absolutely correct. So 36 ps square upon 4 is equals to 28 pq square upon 4. Let us divide it now and we are going to get the answer. Okay. So 4 ones are 4 nines are 4 ones are 4 sevens are. So what is that? 9 ps square is equals to 7 pq square. And this is hence it is proved. So here we proved. Thank you. Thank you, Geet. And did everybody of you understood today's my two sums, which are very lengthy and very technical sums, and you must practice at home. And let us end today's meeting. Tomorrow we will take at 7:30. Okay, everyone. So let us end today's meeting. So bye everyone. Bye everyone. We will meet tomorrow. Bye all of you. Bye Amrud. Bye Piyush. Darshan. Bye Shrutika. Geet. Everybody bye. Prathamesh bye. So let's meet tomorrow. Till then have a nice day. Bye bye everyone. Bye everyone.